Hello guys, today I will show how to install Forza Horizon 6 for free. Yeah, it's working perfectly. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks. Step 1. First go in my description and download the file, named 248.3190.zip. Step 2. Open Steam Tools. If you don't know how to install Steam Tools, just watch this video. Step 3. Open File Explorer. Go to Download and extract it. Step 4. Open the extracted folder. There will be 2 files. Just drag and drop them into Steam Tool. Step 5. Right-click the Steam tool and restart Steam. Or, if you didn't started Steam, then press Launch Steam. Step 6. Now you are done. Click on Libraries and boom, Forza Horizon 6 is added. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.